Hi class, now that we have looked at what cloud storage is, what Google Drive is, and how to get a Google account, we're going to talk briefly about some Google Drive functions and content. I'm simply starting out by going to google.com. When you click on google.com, you will see a sign in tab in the top right corner. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Your account should be saved in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick the account that I use the most, which is my school account. My password is already saved in there, and it will log me into my Google account. If you go up to the top with the Google apps, you will see different apps that that you're able to use, but we're going to focus on the Google Drive app. Now, if I look over here on the left-hand side, you will see several different tabs here. The first one is a new tab with a plus. When you click on that, this is how you would upload folders. You can create new Google Documents, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. And when you click the More, it gives you even more options to create new things. The next one has your team drives. This is just a type of drive that you can use to collaborate with your team. And then I have shared with me. These are documents that have been shared with me throughout the year. This can be a quick reference if you want to see someone that has shared something with you, and you can even go to this top search bar to search for keywords to find the document quicker. With that being said, if you want to reference something that you have just looked at, you can go to the Recent tab. And then the Starred tab are things that you want to star to make it easier to find later. This is just a quick overview of some functions that Google Drive has. I hope you enjoy investigating and learning more about it. See you soon!